Hi, my name is David P Shapiro. I'm the owner and managing partner of the law office of David P Shapiro, located in San Diego, California, where my firm helps good people regain control of their future when charged with a crime. In this video, I want to talk to you about how you could beat your DUI case in San Diego, specifically focusing on this one reason, and that is known as a driving defense. Okay? A lot of times people in San Diego, or anywhere for that matter, will get arrested or charged with a DUI, and they'll say, hey, I'm 0.08 or higher, that's a law. I was a 0.15. Well, what's any attorney going to do for me? What is he or she going to do? Why am I going to spend that type of money? I'll just go to court and try and resolve it. Let me just do it that way, right? But what everyone seems to forget is one of the key elements of a DUI is that you actually drove the motor vehicle. And at the time you drove, you were 0.08 or higher or under the influence of alcohol. Now, different situation if you get pulled over at a checkpoint and a cop sees you behind the wheel of a moving vehicle, right? But in order for a driving defense to have any merit, there may be some issues there, especially if there was an accident, if you're out of the vehicle, if there was a hit and run and you're accused of driving but no one necessarily saw you drive. There's also the component in California that requires the vehicle actually be moving, you actually be operating a motor vehicle, there be a volitional movement of the vehicle. So that is where you hear driving defenses having a potential to be successful in a DUI case. Now, what does being successful in a DUI case in San Diego mean? Well, it can mean a couple of things, right? Sometimes you may have a good enough driving defense, not a great driving defense, but a good enough driving defense where your attorney, the right attorney, who knows what he or she is doing, who has the experience to back that up, who has the clout and reputation that they will take a case to trial and give the district attorney a very difficult battle at trial, assuming the district attorney is even able to prevail at all. You want to make sure that you protect yourself moving forward, right? And a good driving defense may result in a lesser charge. You may be able to negotiate a better outcome. You may be able to avoid a DUI. You and your attorney, you may decide that, hey, I want to take this case all the way and have to prove not so much what my blood alcohol level was, but whether or not you were in fact driving. And we've had a lot of success with those types of cases over the years. And those are arguably some of the most fun type of DUI cases to defend against, because our defense is not, oh, my client wasn't under the influence, my client wasn't 0.08 or higher. It was, they probably were, but they still haven't proven to you the first element is that they drove a motor vehicle. And that's something that gets overlooked, but it's a reason why we're starting with that as the first of our series on how to beat a DUI in San Diego, particularly relating to a driving defense. If you find yourself or a loved one charged with DUI in San Diego specifically, whether it's a driving defense or not, whether you think it's a driving defense or not, always reach out to a locally quality experienced criminal defense firm, whether it's mine or another. We can be reached 619-295-3555.